Igbo bụ Igbo ekenekwa m unu ya sị gịnị na-akpọtụrụ na anya bụ vidiyo ahụ. Mgbe gara aga n'izu ụka gara aga gwa unu na enwere ndị jere ojije tọrọ ndị mmadụ mago tọrọ ndị mmadụ ito, mana at the end of the day mmadụ ofu onye hapụ ofu onye ụgawa ha wee nwee ike gịnị kpọrọzie ndị nke ọzọ wee pụba. Ya bụ ihe wee circulate the whole of Nigeria. A lot of news na-ebugharị ya na-eme nka mana guess what? Seminarian and the other person eji has been rescued. Ya bụ jubilation na-aga n'ụlọ ụka mgbe ha nwetara news na Seminarian na ndị eji has been rescued. So nọkọtara una na-etukwana m update. Tuyenu m update because na na-eweta news accordingly, station by station. I anara ebu incomplete news. I anara ebu incomplete news. Nke ọ bụla iti ilisi na I make sure I follow is here. So but that's by the way. Ihe me unu ya anụ ka ndị Enugu State representative ji wee carry out the operation. Mma hapụ unu ka unu nene short video the young man ame. Short video mma hapụ unu ka unu nene short mbachalo una ma nene kita ka nkwu before ị na-ene ndị nwe ike chefu ihe na ka ngwa gị ihe menụ. That representative abịala Enugu State that location mgbangba unu na that man na achọ ime the thing ka ọ wụlụ politics. Na achọ ịtụnụ the thing to political affair. Ibesiasi na America nwekwu insecurity nke anụnwa. I was never wrong. Because the way the man say kweku ma ọ bụ na nno there, that man should walk out from that place. Because of ebe turn the thing to a campaign ground. The APC obeli ihe mealari, they will take to monetize that thing, convert here to a protest ground. Kedu ihe men ji wee kwu nya be him? The man released his statement. Ihe men ji na agwa unu ihe anụnwa. Unu enene the video ka unu wocha ntụ unu masị anọ nwere ebe ntụlasị tukpodo the man. The man released a statement ma go gosicha ndị ahụ. Ime ha me tọnụ ahụ ihu azụ. Tọnụ ahụ ihu azụ kpuchicha ihu ka ada mana ndị dị ha, and he said so many things at the interview. Also na through the effort of the government the effort of the government that they were able to use their drone ARI detection, and they were able to carry out the operation successfully. No nwere onye nwụrụ in that place. Na na-ebutere unu news ya na-ebutere unu confirm legit news. Unu na afọ video ya ka ọ na-agagara n'akụkụ cool unu down. Na mgbe ha nwetara the thing that they went into action ozugbo and they did a clean job, no nwere onye nwụrụ, and they used some tracking devices against those people. Enwude ha mgbe na nature the thing we say this sounds too good to be true. Kaunchelo that na me enwetekwa news ọzọ. I don't just rush and say kam chelo. Oh mama na-enwe ndidi. I'm a very guys say kam chelo come swing guy into investigation. Guess what? That video dey circulate since nya. And I say na ndị governor alụ ọrụ ndị a na-ehele Enugu governor na ha alụ all these things ba asị. Unu na-ezo iru ndị kidnappers lụrụ ọrụ ahụ. Mana guess what onye lụrụ ọrụ a? Harrison bụ onye lụrụ dị ọrụ. Harrison bụ onye use his own tactical those tracking money of it na ha ji weme will carry out that investigation, will carry out that thing now, make sure that those people were rescued. Ransom asking how it was what he used in bringing out those things. Man, I guess we have man. By then half a word go the pictures to Ijele. Ndami take a glory for it. Release a statement upon statement. Nasnaham low no. Guess what they are doing? They were trying to hide the identity of those people Bialoshia. Hello. They were trying to hide the identity of Nde Bialoshia. Which na even that spokesman of Enugu State getting one of that place. Mboneku his report, he never mentioned the tribe, he never mentioned the identity of those people. Ijele on his own part never mentioned the identity. Guess what Harrison did? Harrison posted the pictures without hiding their face and dare them to mention the identity of those people Bialoshia. He dared them. Don't worry, most video can happen also. That na here and the APC man that church was they did a trial, they did test trial. Obibe kwa now. Obi Bero, they are trying to do test trial. Actually, by a vote for election. Kassigina governor na Lolo, they are not doing anything. Or guessing no use a drone, use AI detector, no use a linka. Show us the proof. We will not use. Hello, let them show us the proof. Agwamun all these things are politics. Man, it's so sad. No nuji ndi Igbo emeda politics. It's a political movement. Harrison, and you people must also give honor to whom honor is due. Then I top on the video. Gordon.
The kidnapped victims were all recovered and they have been returned safe. None of them lost their lives or were harmed. The security forces made sure in our recovery process that we were very particular about safeguarding lives. Usually in endeavors like this, the criminality of this process has an economic component, which is ransom. For us, and in this particular operations, with the gentlemen, our very fine collaborators in the DSS and the military, part of what was used was the ransom amount as bait, as part of our strategy. That was not the only strategy. And once this operation was completed and considered successful, the amount of monies that were paid were all fully recovered. And that some of them are the things you see. The arms that were involved in this criminality, we have recovered all of them in the custody of the security agencies that handled this operation. So yes, ransoms were paid, but they have all been recovered completely. They were used strictly as strategy. And we have it, and nobody was killed. I reiterate again, nobody was killed. But I must point something out here, and that is the role that informants, local informants, play in this process. That architecture and working with the security agencies. Recall that we have built a security architecture that includes technology, smart CCTVs, AI-enabled, AI and AR-enabled. We also have the right equipment with our drone technology. So most of these technological tools played a significant role in our tracking. So when the state decided to invest in these resources, it was for times like this, to be able to also help with our intelligence, to also help us with patterns, to be able to make security decisions. So technology was a big tool and continues to play a significant role in deterring situations like this, and also help us when there's a breach to begin to piece together intelligence to get to these culprits and stop the activities from happening.